Cheers, my beautiful friends. Our journaling journey. I hope you will join me. Washi tape, it's a great little tool to create your background, to create your interest, any washi you have. You can use masking tape too. I love mixing both masking tape and a washi. Our background base is pretty much ready. I'm gonna use white gesso, a touch. Clear gesso. Absolutely gorgeous papers. These are rice papers, and I'm thinking to use this one. How gorgeous. How gorgeous.
Waiting on the edge of this moment, holding out for something golden. Found a light on a hill. I was waking up, looking for peace in a world that's divided. Gotta hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in, rotate to you again. I'll live the rest of my life by your side. I'll stay with forever, playing it all like the radio. Don't see how it could be better. All I know is don't let go. Stuck in a head rush about it. We're spinning fast, we're moving slow. I don't know how, but we found it. Something supernatural. The space between. Don't fight it. When you're with me, nothing else matters. On gray days, I live in your laughter. I collide with your heart, seeing stars. I let go of the past. I know.
I think we are done. Thank you so very much, my beautiful friends. I really hope you liked it and enjoyed the project. Enjoy the process as well. Close up, super pretty. I wish you a lovely day, evening or night, whenever you're watching, wherever you are in the world. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Till the next time. Bye bye.